Morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are continuing unit 14 bills. Till the previous lecture we have discussed question number 1 to 4 of brain teasers. Now we are doing question number 5 which is given at page number 174 of our book. What is given in the question? Anil purchased the following items from the Agarwal Namkeen Corner on 6th July 2014. The name of the shop and date is given. Prepare a bill for these items. It means we have to prepare a bill. If Anil gave the shopkeeper 100 rupee note, how much balance will he get back? Such kind of question we have discussed in worksheet 1 also, when the total money given was given in the question and we need to find the balance amount. So for that, what did we do there? Just prepare a bill, find the total cost, total bill, then subtract it from the money given. Here is a correction in the question. Please make this correction. If Anil gave the shopkeeper 100 rupee note, here in place of 1 you will cut and write 500 rupee note. Okay, 500 rupee note, and at the end after the bill you will subtract the bill amount from 500 to get the balance. Okay, now the items, detail of the items. 3 packets potato chips at rupees 20.50 per packet. The cost of one packet is given. We will find the cost of 3 packets and you will prepare this bill on your own. Just make a format, write the name of the shop and the date and then details. 2 packets cream biscuits at rupees 10.50 per packet. 6 pastries at rupees 35 per pastry and 1 Pepsi for rupees 20. All the items are given. You can prepare the bill on your own. Okay. After this, now I am discussing question number 6. Question number 6 is prepare a bill for the following items purchased from Raj General Store, Paschim Vihar, Delhi on 11 January 2014. Find the total amount to be paid. Here the name of the shop, address and date is given and the list of items is given. We have to prepare the bill. But here only one thing is different. What is that? 1 by 2 kilogram sugar for rupees 60. 500 gram urad dal for rupees 45.50. 1 bottle of jam for rupees 95.00. 5 packets of biscuit for rupees 125. Here the rate which is given is the amount, means the cost of this quantity of sugar is given. This is not the cost per kilogram. Here also the cost for this quantity of urad dal is given, not per kilogram. 1 bottle of jam for rupees this. Here cost, rate and amount is same, and here the rate, the amount for 5 packets of biscuit is given. This is a little bit different. So in before preparing this bill we need to find the rate of items, as these are given only amounts. So how will we do this? Firstly, the cost for 1 by 2 kilogram means 3 by 2 kilogram sugar is given rupees 60. Then cost of 1 kilogram sugar will be 60 divides 3 by 2, as we are finding for less than the given thing, so we will use a division will be converted to multiplication. It will be rupees 40. This is the cost for 1 kilogram sugar. Okay, for B part, 500 gram urad dal is given, so the cost for 500 grams means 1 by 2 kilogram urad dal is given. The cost of 1 kilogram urad dal will be multiplied by 2. It means division of 1 by 2 means multiplied by 2. It will be 91.00. In the C part, cost of 1 bottle of jam is given. For 1, rate and amount is same. cost of 5 packets of biscuits is given. Cost of 1 packets of biscuit is to be find out. So we will divide. Okay. Now we will use all these rates in our bill. Prepare a format. Write the name of the shop and date. Items. Sugar 3 by 2 kilogram. What is the rate of sugar which we have find out? Yes, rupees 40. When you will calculate 40 multiply 3 by 2, you will get 60, which is already given. Urad dal 500 gram at the rate of rupees 91 per kilogram. Okay, so the amount we will get is 45.50. Jam 1 bottle, the cost will be same as amount rupees 95, and biscuits 5 packs at the rate of rupees 25, it is rupees 125, and the total bill amount is rupees 325.50. Okay, this completes our bill as we have prepared. Just one thing was different in this. We just had to calculate the rate in place of amount. Okay, so this completes our unit 14, and your homework is complete and revise unit 14. Thank you.